Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we will continue to learn about the basic Linux command, and today we will learn about the head command. The head command is the opposite command of the tail command. So the head command will print the first 10 lines of a file. At the previous video, I already shared about how to use the tail command. If you want to see the previous video, I already create a card. It's on the top right of your screen. Just click it and you will see there's a link for the tail command video. Let's open our terminal. In the previous video, in the tail command video, we already created a file for practicing the tail command. So we don't need to create anymore. We will use that file for practicing the head command. In the description part, you can see that the head command will print the first 10 lines of each file to standard output. The syntax almost the same with the tail command. If you already seen my video about tail command, I think there will be no problem to use this head command. I will open a new tab in my terminal. I will go to the file, the previous file. So this is the previous file that we used for the tail command. I will rename the file to list. Oops, sorry. I will rename the tail command to list. Okay, so we have list and paragraph. This is Indonesian spelling, and I will rename this file into English spelling. Let's try to use the head command. Head list. So it's correct that the head command prints the first 10 lines of a file. And for the paragraph file, I will edit the paragraph file. So the paragraph file will look like a list. I hope this paragraph file can give us something similar like the list file. Now we have 14 lines in the paragraph file. We will try to execute the head command to the paragraph file. Head paragraph. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So the output almost similar with the list file. Okay, let's try to input two files into one head command. List and paragraph. The output almost the same with the tail command. So the head will give the headers to each file automatically without the option verbose. This one, without this option, the head command will give the header to each file automatically. How with the others option? We will try to use it in the tail command video. I try this option, the -n option and the -c option and the -v option. So in this video I will try the same option with head command. Let's try the first option, -n. Head -n paragraph. Oops. It needs an input. I will give 5. So the head will show to us the first 5 lines of this file. I will try with the list file. Okay. Print the first 6 lines instead of the first 10. With the leading dash, print all but the last 6 lines of each file. So in the tail command, it uses the plus, but in the head command, it uses the dash. We will try this option. So the head command will print the file, but without the last 5 lines of that file. You can see that the head command with this option, with the -n-5 option, will print from line 1 until the line 195. In fact, we have 200 lines. So the last 5 lines will not be printed by this option. We will check our file. You can see that we have 200 lines. So it's the opposite of the tail command. If we use tail command and we use the plus. The tail command will print from the line number 5 until the line number 200. It means that the first 5 lines will be not printed with the tail and this following option. Let's try the other option. We will use the -C. Let's check to that file. So the last line, the last character is this word. So this is the last character that printed by the head command following with this option. We will count the last character. 1, 2, 3, 4. With this option, the head will not print the last 5 character. I'm curious about how if I combine the head command and the tail command. I will use the list file so we can see the output clearer than we use the paragraph file. I will type head -n -5 and then pipe with tail -n plus 100. I think I did something wrong. The file, I didn't input the file. Wait, I think I did something wrong. The first we did is print the list without the last 5 lines and then pipe with tail. It means that the tail will print the output of this command from line number 100. So I think it's like a range. I don't know how to say it in English because I'm not an English native speaker. So I hope you can understand what I mean. I mean that with these two combined commands, it produces something like a range from 100 until lines 110. 95. I will try again the same command, but with the different input for the option. I will input 100. It means that head command will not print the last 100 lines. And then the output of this command will be captured by the tail command, and the tail command will print from the line number 90. Let's try. So with these two combines command, it produces this output. It's like range of the list. I hope you understand what I mean. I will try to combine the head command with tail command and then with ls command. Let's go to the etc folder and then yum.repos.d. So we will try to combine the ls command with head command -n, and the input is -5, and then pipe with tail command -n, and the input is 10. So it will print from the line number 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 from here, and the last 5 lines will not be printed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think this command will print only these lines. Let's execute. Modular repo, and then NVIDIA driver. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm sorry everyone, I did something wrong with my count. So these 5 last lines will not be printed. So this is the exact output. So I think we can combine this head command and tail command to produce something like a list range. I think that's all for today. Thanks for watching. We will see in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.